Hey, Dad. How do planes fly?
Well, planes are made with many tiny pieces, and those pieces are made by a very cool process called manufacturing.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
That's a good question. Let's check it out. Hey Siri, what's so cool about manufacturing?
I'm the president and CEO of Accutech Precision Aerospace.
I was basically a button pusher at another machine shop, and I wanted to be able to take my education in the machining to another level.
It kind of gives you like this good energy, you know?
It's tangible. It's like at the end of the day, I made this, I did this today. You know, a lot of jobs don't necessarily have that almost instant gratification. You know, you might work for several months before a project completes.
My career path was I spent 30 years in the agricultural field. I decided I wanted to change. Accutech was a very, very fast-growing company.
They fly a 737, and we make the components that go into both the braking system and the reverse thrusting system. So if the aircraft stopped at the end of the runway, you're welcome. Those were our parts.
The more I was doing it, the more I was like, okay, this is actually really cool. And the more I learned, the more it made me want to do it more. And then eventually I got to the point where I am at now, where this is what I know how to do, and I like doing it.
I really like the fact that we have a tangible product at the end of the day, and that the things that we make fly.
How I can make a round part become a square, become a diamond.
Just it gives you a rush. You're like, wow, that's cool.
American manufacturing is alive and well, and we do really cool stuff. It's fun.
I can't say that I actually chose it. It kind of chose me. It wasn't something that I ever thought in a million years I'd be doing.
It's not just a man's world. Girls can do it too.
It's a very rewarding thing.
You are never too old to learn, ever.
You learn something new.
It's always a learning curve. You need the want and the drive to be successful in this career. I have no college experience, and I feel like I've been very successful in my job.
Every day you come to work, you're going to learn something new. It's a good industry to be in.